Welcome to Review Rumble. The best automatic dog door is probably one of the most convenient pet products you can buy. Imagine the freedom for your furry friend to come and go as they please, while you maintain control over their access. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of automatic dog doors, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes a great one stand out from the rest. Get ready to discover the perfect solution for your pet's needs and your peace of mind. Number 5. PetSafe Original Replacement Flap, Large. This replacement flap from PetSafe is the perfect solution. It's designed to fit a variety of PetSafe doors, ensuring a snug fit for your pet's comfort and your home's protection. Made from soft, weather-resistant, and non-toxic materials, this flap is built to last. The magnetic closure helps seal the outdoor access, keeping your home comfortable. Replacing the flap is quick and easy. With just a screwdriver, you can have it installed in minutes, restoring your pet door with minimal effort. This replacement flap is compatible with a wide range of PetSafe doors. It's designed to fit wall entry, sliding glass, and aluminum models. PetSafe has been providing quality pet products since 1998. They are committed to creating safe and innovative products that enhance the lives of pets and their families. What we like? This replacement flap is made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring your pet's safety and comfort. It's also incredibly easy to install, requiring only a screwdriver. If you're looking to quickly restore your pet door with minimal effort and provide a safe and comfortable passage for your pet, you should consider this one. What people say. The door is very easy to install. The door works great and the dogs love it. The door is well built and sturdy. Number 4. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, Adjustable Height. Tired of complicated installations? This pet door is designed for easy, no-cut DIY installation. It fits directly into your sliding glass door track, making it perfect for apartments and rentals. Keep your home comfortable and your pet safe. This door features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a locking kit. It provides energy efficiency and secure access for your pet in any weather. This door is designed with large dogs in mind. The flap opening is 1014WX16338H, accommodating pets up to 130 pounds. It provides a convenient way for them to come and go. PetSafe is a company with U.S. roots and a global reach. They deliver vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They also provide exceptional customer support to ensure your pet's happiness. Since 1998, PetSafe has been creating safe and innovative products. They bring joy and enhance pet lives. This product supports the bond between pets and their families. Easily install a pet door in your existing sliding glass door. No cutting is required. It's a great solution for apartments or condos, and you can take it with you when you move. What we like? This pet door is designed for easy, no-cut installation, perfect for renters or those who don't want to modify their existing doors. It features a weatherproof and secure design, ensuring your home stays protected. If you are looking for a convenient and damage-free solution for your sliding glass door, you should choose this one. What people say. The door has a sensor that detects when your dog is close. The door is very easy to install. The door is made of high-quality materials. Number 3. PetSafe Plastic Pet Door for Large Dogs. Installing this pet door is a breeze. It's designed for wood, PVC, metal, and panel doors, making setup quick and easy for any interior or exterior door. This rust-free, paintable plastic frame ensures long-lasting performance. The smooth swing and weather-resistant flap are designed to keep your pet happy, and you can personalize it to match your home. You can control your pet's access with the included lockable slide panel. The large flap, with dimensions 1014WX1614H, is perfect for pets up to 100 pounds, giving you peace of mind. PetSafe is dedicated to providing vet and trainer-recommended solutions. With U.S. roots and a global reach, they offer exceptional customer support to enhance pet lives. Since 1998, PetSafe has been creating safe and innovative products. They are trusted to bring joy and support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. What we like? This pet door offers easy DIY installation for various door types, making it a versatile choice. It features a rust-free, paintable frame, allowing you to customize it to your home's aesthetic. If you like the flexibility to choose when your pet comes and goes with the included lockable slide panel, you should consider this one. What people say. The door has a sensor that detects when your dog is close. The door is very easy to install. The door is made of high-quality materials. Number 2. PetSafe Extreme Weather Aluminum Pet Door, Large. This pet door features a triple flap thermal barrier. It blocks 3 times more energy than standard doors, helping to keep your home's temperature stable. The heavy-duty aluminum frame with reinforced corners is built to last. It's designed for multiple pets, including large dogs up to 100 pounds. Installation is simple and can be done yourself. It fits most exterior doors made of wood, paneling, PVC, or metal that are 1.5 to 2 inches thick. It also includes a slide-in locking panel. PetSafe is a company with US roots and a global reach. They provide vet and trainer-recommended solutions and excellent customer support. Since 1998, PetSafe has been creating safe, innovative, and trusted products. Their goal is to bring joy and enhance the lives of pets, supporting the bond between pets and their families. What we like. This door provides extreme weather protection with its triple flap thermal barrier, keeping your home comfortable year-round. It features a durable aluminum design, ensuring long-lasting use. If you have a large dog and live in an area with extreme weather conditions, you should consider this one. What people say. The door is very easy to install. The door works great and the dogs love it. The door is well built and the design is very nice. Number 1. PetSafe Extreme Weather Pet Door, Medium. This PetSafe door features a triple flap thermal barrier. It's 3.5 times more energy efficient than standard doors. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. The door is easy to install yourself. It fits most exterior doors made of wood, paneling, PVC, or metal. It also includes a snap-on locking panel. The door has a paintable plastic frame, so you can customize it. It's available in 3 sizes to fit your pet perfectly. PetSafe has been creating pet products since 1998. They are dedicated to providing safe and innovative solutions. They aim to enhance the lives of pets and their families. This medium-sized door is perfect for dogs and cats. It's designed to provide a secure and comfortable passage for your furry friends. It's a great way to give them freedom. What we like. This pet door offers extreme temperature protection with its triple flap thermal barrier, maximizing energy efficiency. It's easy to install and comes with a snap-on locking panel for secure flap closure. If you are looking for a door that can be customized to match your home's design, you should consider this one. What people say. The pet door lets in hardly any outside air at all, which is a huge improvement from our old door. All 3 flaps fall back into their original position perfectly. Great quality and keeps out weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.